In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language on Monday.com. Navigating and customizing your workspace to suit your preferences, including language, can vastly improve your user experience on any platform. Today we're focusing on Monday.com, a versatile work OS where teams create workflow apps in minutes to run their processes, projects, and everyday work. What many users might not realize is how easily they can personalize their experience, starting with something as fundamental as the language of the interface. First things first, you'll need to go to the Monday.com website. Just type it into your browser, and once the page has loaded, you are ready for the next step. The interface of Monday.com is designed to be intuitive, so every step from here should feel like a breeze. Now look at the lower left corner of your screen once you've logged in. You'll spot your profile picture or the initial letter of your name if you haven't added a photo. This is not only a gateway to your personal settings, but also where you begin the journey of customizing your language settings. Go ahead and click on your profile icon. After you've clicked on your profile, a menu will appear. Here you will find several options, but for our current purpose, you want to select My Profile. This will take you to a screen where you can adjust various aspects of your account details to better fit your preferences and needs. Within the My Profile section, navigate until you find a button labeled Language and Region. The design of the platform makes it straightforward to identify different sections, so locating language and region should be quite simple. Upon clicking Language and Region, you'll be presented with several language options that Monday.com supports. Currently, Monday.com offers a variety of languages, reflecting its commitment to being a globally accessible platform. From here, your next step is to select English, or your current language setting, to reveal a drop-down menu listing all available languages. Take a moment here to scroll through the options and find the language you feel most comfortable using. When you click on the language you want to switch to, Monday.com will prompt you to confirm your selection. It's always good to double check you've chosen correctly to avoid any surprises. After you've confirmed your choice, the platform will refresh, and voila, the interface will now be displayed in your selected language. This change will apply across all of Monday.com Quote S features, ensuring a seamless and personalized user experience. Changing the language setting on Monday.com is more than just a preference. It can be essential for teams with members spread across different countries, or for individuals who are more comfortable in their native language. It's one of the many ways that Monday.com accommodates its diverse user base, enabling everyone to work efficiently and comfortably. Remember, you can always change the language back or try a different one by repeating the same steps. The platform's flexibility allows you to explore and find what works best for you without any complications. In conclusion, personalizing your workspace by setting a language you're comfortable with is a simple yet significant adjustment that can enhance your overall experience on Monday.com. With just a few clicks, you can navigate the platform in the language of your preference, making your workday just a bit easier. I hope this guide has been helpful in showing you how to adjust your language settings on Monday.com. Don't forget the platform is designed to be user-friendly, so don't hesitate to explore other settings and customize your workspace to fit your needs perfectly. Happy customizing, and see you in the next video.